Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of technology and computers? Today we will learn 100 technology and computer words in English with pictures. From computers, laptops and smartphones to robots, the internet, coding and future technology, you will discover amazing new words. Look at each picture, listen carefully and repeat each word after me. Let's start our technology adventure. Set 1. Computer Basics. Computer, computer. Laptop, laptop. Desktop, desktop. Monitor, monitor. Keyboard, keyboard. Mouse, mouse. Touchpad, touchpad. CPU, CPU. Webcam, webcam. Speaker, speaker. Microphone, microphone. Printer, printer. Scanner, scanner. Headphones, headphones. USB drive, USB drive. Hard drive, hard drive. SSD, SSD. RAM, RAM. Motherboard, motherboard. Power button, power button. Set 2. Internet and devices. Internet, internet. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Router, router. Modem, modem. Browser, browser. Website, website. Web page, web page. Search engine, search engine. Email, email. Password, password. Username, username. Download, download. Upload, upload. Cloud storage, cloud storage. QR code, QR code. Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Hotspot, hotspot. Smartphone, smartphone. Tablet, tablet. Smartwatch, smartwatch. Set 3. Computer software. Software, software. Application, application. Program, program. Operating system, operating system. Windows, Windows. Android, Android. iOS, iOS. File, file. folder, folder, photo, photo, video, video, music, music, PDF, PDF, presentation, presentation, spreadsheet, spreadsheet, calculator, calculator, settings, settings, update, update, antivirus, antivirus. Set 4. Technology and electronics. Robot, robot, drone, drone, camera, camera, television, television, remote control, remote control, projector, projector, game console, game console, joystick, joystick, VR handset, VR handset, smart TV, smart TV, charger, charger, battery, battery, cable, cable, adapter, adapter, flashlight, flashlight, calculator, calculator, GPS, GPS, smart speaker, smart speaker, e-book reader, e-book reader. Set 5. Future technology. Artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, machine learning, machine learning, coding, coding, robot arm, robot arm, data, data, server, server, database, database, network, network, cybersecurity, cybersecurity, encryption, encryption, satellite, satellite, space technology, space technology, virtual reality, virtual reality, augmented reality, augmented reality, 3D printer, 3D printer, electric cars, electric car, solar panel, solar panel, wind turbine, wind turbine, smart home, smart home, innovation, innovation. Fantastic jobs! Today you learned 100 technology and computer words in English with pictures. Keep practicing these words to build your English vocabulary and learn more about the amazing world of technology. Watch the next video in our 100 vocabulary word series for more fun learning adventure. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, bye.